Mantika, may napang... Going back, yeah.
Wait! Mommy, look, there's a big building there.
Yeah, no, this one we can rest in between. That's no problem.
Okay, let's rest.
Bayaw ka na sa ubos mo, botani ka rito.
Kaya pwede ko na diri dakit bumalik ti pabaw-baw. Ada o cactus o.
May cactus.
No. You gotta go to picture in the cactus. Dali.
Never, I do not.
Oh, see? Ato different variety of cactus oh.
Oh, come pa be.
Dali.
Malusad kami ngadto, ngadto. Pag kinadto ibang lugar, buwas naman.
Mommy, let's go.
I'll take a picture. Yan. Okay, let's go.
Okay, hurry up. Oh my gosh, Mommy, there's one below you.
What?
Look.
Cactus? Yeah, because a lot of cactus here. Ara nga, nagkasagka. O yada. May nagkakasagka gaduho. Kaya gad. Hinay-hinay la. Pagkabutukan bahuway. Ha? Hi.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. We are from Israel.
Oh.
But we came from Dubai. Yeah, we are Filipino, but we were working in Dubai. 20 years. Dubai.
Is a caregiver?
Caregiver.
May mga puno pa oh. So many cactuses.
Okay. Kung di nila kung nagka-Pilipino lang ito, bilhin nyo na lang oh. Balik kayo. Okay, kita libre na kita niya, pagwas eh.
Come on, Mommy, you won't be famous by picturing every single cacti you see here.
Yeah, because I like it. I like the cacti.
Cacti is like the
Careful.
cacti is the plural form of cactus.
Botanical garden.
Botanical? Okay, no?
Armenia Botanical Garden.
Mommy, can't you believe it? It's so peaceful here.
Yeah, so peaceful. So many different flowers,
No
trees,
trash.
bees, no
This
trash.
is what I like.
See this one, so pretty.
This is what I like.
See, di kalabat siya, di ka kuha ng puno, papay. Gilabi, siri, ho. Ha? Di, parang pusti. Wow, see this place, so Arabella, oh look. Ah, bawal nga da na. Oo.
Okay, finally, my cacti.
Oh, may mga tubig. Ah, may falling rocks ko no dida.
Go, Mama.
Go.
Mommy, I hear a river. Maybe we'll pass by a river.
Parang may river talaga pag nakabatian. Ha? I think there's a waterfalls in here.
Doon there, where we, kuhan, diba? May dugtong na eh. Sa klase. Haradlok. Halaw,
Halarong.
Naguyak sige.
Yay!
Wow.
Haralong. Ay, huy. Padayaw mo.
What? I want to fall in the
Pero
water.
sige, my feet.
My quad falls.
Here.
See, very nice here. Aya, di, oh.
Is that lychee? Is that lychee?
Kaupay.
Where is that?
Oops, so come here, mahulog ka.
Ganyan na, Botanica Garden. Atong sa'yo na to.
Mother of Armenia.
Mother
Kasi ito
of
po, sa
Armenia.
mutani nga to. Yung pa nga, di yun nga to.
Ito, bamboo grove.
Ha?
Bamboo? Ooh,
Bamboo Grove.
I want to see a bamboo.
Ari, nadiri ka lang magkadi.
I've never
O,
seen.
ito po, may agyan dito, oh. Yan lapit to, may tulay. Nangungoy og ipapay. Nangungoy og ka. Wow, bamboos. There.
I want to see it.
A lot of bamboos. Oh, careful, kasi slippery. Yung urana niya, kit din ipatal kit, or kit sisirungan. Ay, bawal na nga di, oh. Here, oh, dada, the river. Wow. It's a big wow.
Oh, look, you can also touch it.
Yeah, see?
Yeah,
Did you see already the real bamboo?
No,
Oh, see?
that's first time.
This is the first time you saw real bamboo. Look at here.
And now,
Look at here.
this is my first
Kaupay.
time touching a bamboo.
Oh, come here. Dada is here. Oh, see, a lot of bamboos here.
I just touched the bamboo. Mommy,
Ano daw?
mommy.
Wow, come here. Yeah. Ano daw, Dada?
Ay, ano kita di ba?
Mambot. Pinagsinugad.
Ito, gusto ka din mo.
Wow.
Go to.
See? It's a beautiful place. Ado, oh, mga bamboos. Dada, her first time to see a bamboo.
Mommy, look.
First time daw niya pakita bamboo. Bamboo tree. Oh, look at here.
Mommy, I think they overdid it. They planted the bamboo.
Oh, look at here.
Over the window.
Harin?
Mommy,
Hmm.
this is my first time seeing a bamboo, right?
Yes.
This is my
Pa-straight. Naka-videoin.
Mommy!
I-video natin si touch lang
And
picture.
mommy, this is my.
Wow, kare. Look at here.
Tara, marikit. Ay, napagtukuan.
Mommy, remember I told you this is my first time.
Ubus ka na ba ito? Not drinking water.
Of course.
Adoy. Kaupay, oh. Kaguguban man lang ang nahingadian.
Oh, now to the end of the bamboo tree.
Bamboo trail.
Oh, look, dead bamboo.
Yeah. Drinking water? May nangutana kung paano magkade? Kanina?
Diba pang paano kung how to go there?
Oh, bird trail. May bird trail pa dada, oh. May bird trail. Mga birds na here. Hindi na naman bird trail na, oh. Come here.
So fun. Oh, this is not the bird trail. This is a cat trail. Look, there's like a freaking cat over here. Hi.
There's a cat. baha ubos sira sulod. Pero din daw lang nagian. Ala, pangathon? Ang tagit haluyo ka, doon na yung mga pine trees. O, ito na mga birds, Ara, o.
I hear them, but I don't see them. Mommy, guess
Aba, apong wara katang pusan. Inyad to po, may dito nga nabawak ito. May building dito babaw. Ano, di pakit mabalik?
Mommy, whatever you do, don't touch anything.
What?
Some of them might be poison ivy.
I'm not touching.
Don't touch.
Umuran nga niya, napatal. Kita rin sisirungan. Pangingig kikudkit.
I checked the weather scale. I checked the weather and the... Daddy! You're supposed to stay on the path.
Oh, it's okay. It's a river, right? Luag na river.
You're supposed to be staying.
It's a river only. Nothing new. Nothing more. Oh, come back.
Get out. Yeah. Let's stay in the path. Oh, there is no... Ah!
At tuho, may balay dito, baw.
There is no... I said there is no... I wished I brought my train.
Oh, may hanging bridge pa didi. Yan to cross the hanging bridge.
Mommy, I think I'm sweating.
Oh. Sweating ka dyan, hagkot man. Kaya nga, di akbay malawakay na eh. Look. What memory? What is your memory?
Go to hanging here.
Okay na, kay diri sarado.
First of all, how are you gonna go down? Don't go like
Pakain daw lang ko ng pusan.
How? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Where is the end of this road?
There!
Hanging
I see it.
bridge.
Maybe near the
Hello. Hello, Arabella, I don't like to go.
I'm not going.
Hello. Wow. Oh, yaw na agad. Wala na. Hello. Kaya gani magsaka, hera nga nagsaka. Ada oh, mga cactus ara oh, different kind of cactus ara oh. Ano?
That's what I saw. So,
What?
what's the cut though? I don't see. All I can see here is just moss. Oh, I see some up there.
Now we're here na in the river. Ooh. Kagsasabid. At wala na yung breeze eh.
Don't have any there.
Huh? Lost in the botanical garden in Georgia. Tawarin na nakatangpusan din nga tinlusaran. Ato na kita luyo. Balik na kit. Ato na kita may mga pine trees. Ay, daddy. Alalay, daddy, alalay.
Marvin. Yeah.
Pagsasabid niyo. Hello. Ako man. Nanay. Nanay. Marugos. Ay! Pilgubak na dada.
Oh, then, yeah.
Kaya di kitin marang kung tipakainin.
Mommy, if we end up being alone here, then I'm going to eat all the berries I find.
Ha?
If we end up
Aroy.
being abandoned
Nanay.
here, Mommy, if we end up being abandoned here, I'm going to eat all the berries I can find.
Dada, mahigdang pa di daw. Nga di ko. Ha?
Pikahan pa mga din.
Oh, back on the road.
Yeah.
Kagsasabid.
Barely even took a rest.
Ogo. Dada, panginanuan man yung upod.
Yeah.
Dapat may tali kit.
Woo! Aray, nanay
Dapat
ko.
may tali kit, mama.
Aray, nanay ko. Gutom pa. Wala pa gurbisan tubig. Wow. Okay, stand there. Apay balik it bay nakit mawagtang.
Let's go back.
Bay nakit mawara atara. Di nakit hitultol. Ha? Aron na yung palito mga hagdan.
Mommy, I'm afraid what if we lost? Remember, we have to go back also.
Let's go na dada.
Mommy, I don't think we can find back home.
Hello, I don't know. Hold dada, hold dada. Hold dada. Then hold the kit. Oh, this is slippery. Ito, pwede mo ito. Kasaka ngayon, ha? Atara. Nangyayin na ba? Kit pa pa eh.
Let's go back. We have to go back to the cable car.
Kaya, let's go. Ito, magpumit ng tumobo, oh.
Mommy, come on. Don't you go.
This is scary there. I saw it. Okay?
Down?
Wala na. Power.
I am only at 25%.
No more na power.
I think we walked already like 100 kilometers
How many
for the
kilometers?
whole day.
We walk how many kilometers?